Hey guys, I'm at the private level crossing in Hurstbridge, Victoria. As you can see, it's already turned on. And this is a no date signal on the Hurstbridge Railway, which is the Hurstbridge. Now, sorry for the signal over here. We've got an unmarked base, a Railfans sign, 4 new style LNs and Westinghouse Crossarm, a Redback Crossbucks, a general signal type 3 bell, and yeah, that's it. And for this signal we have over here, the same as that signal over there, we have an unmarked base, the taller one, not like that one, just shorter. The crossing faults number, just right there. A white off background superficial sign, 4 new style LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, Redback Crossbucks, general signal type 3 eval, and a aircraft healthy state indicator, and unfortunately that signal does not have a aircraft healthy state indicator. So yeah.